how to generate passive income as a content creator. Hey, what if you could make money while you sleep? What if you could turn your passion into profits, effortlessly building wealth with a system that works for you 24/7? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible, and I'm about to show you how. But here's the truth. Many content creators, especially those just starting, struggle. They make content, but it feels like the hustle never ends. They're always creating, but never seeing the rewards. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from that endless cycle? To work smarter, not harder, and watch your bank account grow as you focus on what you love? Stay tuned, because today, I'm going to show you the top strategies to generate passive income as a content creator without burning out. And trust me, you'll want to hear the last one. It's a game changer. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up to a notification. You made money while you were sleeping. Sounds nice, right? But here's the problem most content creators face. The moment they stop working, the income stops flowing. You're constantly grinding for that next video, post, or idea. Here's the cold hard truth. If you're a content creator relying on just one income stream, you're stuck on a hamster wheel. And the worst part, you don't even realize it until you're burned out and questioning why it's not paying off. Look, I know what you're thinking. I'm too young, I don't have the right skills, or the time isn't right. But what if I told you that the smartest content creators know that passive income is the key to freedom? It's the ticket to real wealth. And the best part, you don't need a huge following to start. 3. Memberships and subscriptions. All right, hang tight, because here's a huge one. Memberships and subscriptions. Do you have a loyal fan base? Then it's time to give them a place to connect with you, exclusively. Think about Patreon or even YouTube memberships, where followers can support you monthly for access to exclusive content, perks, and behind-the-scenes looks. And here's the kicker. The more personal your content, the better. If your followers feel like they're part of a community, they'll pay to stay. And the best part? This can turn into a consistent income stream. Imagine waking up to a bank account with $500, $1,000, or more from your loyal fans while you're still making content. The possibilities are endless. 4. Passive YouTube revenue. Now let's talk about the big one, YouTube AdSense. I know, you're probably saying, but I need thousands of subscribers for that to work. And yes, while AdSense requires a certain level of viewership, here's where you've got an edge. The trick is, focus on creating content that can go viral. Content that people want to watch and share over time. Think of your videos as assets. Once they're live, they continue earning views and generating revenue months, even years later. Now, let's be real. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. But if you keep at it, AdSense can become a major contributor to your passive income strategy. I'm talking about that sweet, sweet income that just keeps growing, even when you're not working. 5. Sponsored content and brand partnerships. Here's the final piece of the puzzle: brand partnerships and sponsored content. You might not think of sponsorships as passive income, but once you have the right partnerships in place, they can be automated. Brands are looking for influencers like you, people with engaged audiences who can create authentic content. You can sign deals that bring in steady, recurring payments. And the best part? Once the deals are set up, you can focus on what you do best, creating. Pro tip: don't just go for the big brands. Smaller, niche companies are often looking for micro-influencers to work with. Conclude. All right, we've covered a lot. Affiliate marketing, digital products, memberships, AdSense, sponsored content. These are the strategies that can unlock your path to passive income. But here's the thing. All of this is useless unless you take action. Right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Start building your passive income today, and in a year, you'll be thanking yourself. And remember, the path to wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. So, are you ready to start making money while you sleep? Let's make it happen. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which strategy you're going to implement first. I'll be responding to every comment. Let's build this wealth together.